Welcome back to Things Tina Does. Today we are making restaurant style A.C.P, or you might know it as Arroz con Pollo. And the first thing we're going to do is make our Mexican rice. So we're going to jump right into it. Okay guys, one important thing is you want to start with a heavy bottomed, kind of a wide skillet or pan that has a tight fitting lid, okay? I'm going to be using my brazier. And into that is going to go about a tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1 medium onion on kind of a coarse chop. And you don't have to really mince this all the way down, guys. So you're going to do about like that, okay? And you're just going to get that going. And you want to cook that down to about a translucent state. Okay, guys, our onions are getting translucent, taking on a little bit of color. So we're ready to add our garlic. And on that garlic, you do want a nice tight mince on that. Okay, and we're just gonna stir that around in our brazier until it gets nice and fragrant. And that garlic, it only takes just a few seconds, guys, for that garlic to get nice and fragrant. Then in goes our rice. We're gonna start stirring that around because we just want to toast that rice just the slightest bit. If your rice is looking really, really dry, go ahead and add just a little bit more vegetable oil to that, guys, and just stir that in really, really well. Okay, next thing, we are going to add our seasonings and get those cooked in. And I'm using today, this is what I love. We're using this wonderful Goya seasoning packet. And you can, guys, you can get these like any, spice everywhere. You can get these at just about every grocery store. All right, so that 2 packets of that go in. And then we need about another teaspoon of salt in there and several grinds of fresh cracked pepper. And that, of course, to your taste. All right, we're going to turn our heat up just a little bit because we're getting ready to add our water. And with our 2 cups of rice that we have in there, we're adding 4 cups of water. We just stir that around to make sure that it's not sticking on the bottom and that it's nice and even all across that skillet or pan that you're using. Okay, guys, once it is at a little bit of a boil right across there, nice and even, we're going to bring this down to medium-low, okay? And on goes our tight-fitting lid, and we're going to set the timer and just let that go for 15 minutes undisturbed. Okay, now let's get that chicken started. Okay, guys, our rice is on, so we're ready to move on to the chicken. Now, get your pan good and hot. You're going to need, again, one of your wide skillets for this. Okay, so vegetable oil down, and then start just layering in your chicken strips. You can see I've got it pounded, my chicken breast pounded, and then cut really thin. Now, here's the thing. You don't want to crowd your pan, right? Don't crowd your pan because we don't want to steam the chicken. We want to cook it hard and fast. Then we're going to hit them with our homemade Fajita blend seasoning. And don't worry, I'll link the video for that for you guys, okay? We're going to give those a little bit of a shake, season those up, and then get them moving around in that hot pan. See how fast those are cooking, you guys? And you're just going to keep them moving. Let them get a little bit of a sear on one side, and then just keep them moving, just like that. Okay, guys, and remember that you don't have to, temp check every single piece of chicken. Just go by the feel of it, right? Once that really feels firm to the touch of your spatula in there, then you know that your chicken is cooked all the way through. You're good to remove it to your plate, okay? I'm just checking every piece that's in here to make sure that it's good and done. All right. All right, we're just going to continue doing the same thing, guys, until all of our chicken is finished. Okay, guys, our rice is finished, so we're going to turn that burner off. Now, here's the secret. Do not lift the lid. We're going to turn that burner off, and we're just going to scooch that just like that. No lift the lid. Do not lift the lid. And we're going to finish our chicken. Okay, guys, all of our components are ready. Now it's time to assemble. Oh, the unveiling of the rice. Oh, yes. You guys, I still get excited when I have successes in the kitchen. You know what I mean? Oh, so here is our beautiful Mexican rice. And this is going on our plate first. Ooh, yum. And our chicken. And then, you didn't think I was gonna forget the queso, did you? Let's be honest, okay? You know, for a lot of us, it's all about the queso. Ooh, cannot wait to taste this, you guys. Wow. All of the things you love. All the things you're looking for when you go to that Mexican restaurant and you order your favorite A.C.P. Arroz con Pollo. Give me the rice. Give me the chicken. Give me the queso. So good, you guys. Now you know what I'm going to say. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And check this out, you guys. Give it a try. And let me know how it worked out for you. And thanks. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.